Hello students, in this module we're going to learn about comparison of numbers and forming numbers. Children, you all have studied comparison of numbers in your previous classes. Today we're going to learn the comparison of larger numbers. So there are some rules for comparison, and the first one is if the number of digits are different, then the number with more digits is greater. Children, you all can see in the example 12,345 is compared with 2,345. Now you all can see there is a difference in the number of digits. In the first number, the number of digits are 5, and in the second one, the number of digits are 4. So the number with more digits is greater. That is the reason 12,345 is greater than 2,345. Now children, comes the second rule. If the number of digits are same, then we start the comparison of the digits from the left. Again, you all can see in the example, children, both the numbers are having the equal number of digits, that is the 5-digit numbers. Now in this case, we compare the digits until we'll find 2 digits that are different. Now you all can see the digit at 10,000's place in both the numbers is 2. Both are same. Now we'll move on to the next one. Again, the digit at 1000's place is 3 in both the numbers. So both the digits are same. So we'll move on to the number at 100's place. So at 100's place we can see here it is 4 and that number is 1. So 4 is greater than 1, children. Therefore 23,456 is greater than 23,156. So the simple rule is we need to compare the digits until we find 2 digits that are different. In our example, we have 4 and 1 as the different digits. Now children, we will see one more example. You need to find which is greater, that is 73,456 or 74,356. Now children, both the numbers are 5-digit numbers. We have done the placing and you all can see in that chart that the number at 10,000's place in both the cases it's same, that is 7. But if you will check at the thousands place, you can see in the first one number at thousands place, the digit at thousands place is 3, and in the second one it is 4. So 3,000 is less than 4,000. Yes, therefore 74,356 is greater than 73,456. Children, you only need to compare the digits. You all have seen that the numbers at the 10,000 place are same. You have to move to the next one, and here we have compared the digit at 1000 place, that is we have compared 3,000 and 4,000. Now children, there are a few questions given which you all need to solve it in your rough notebook. So children, our next topic is forming numbers, that is you need to find the smallest number, you need to form the greatest number. So the first one is to write the smallest number using the given digits only once. Means whichever the digits is given, you need to use the digit only once. So children, the first condition is when none of the digit is 0, we arrange the digits in ascending order and form the number. As you all can see in the examples, we need to form the smallest 5-digit number using the digits 1, 5, 9, 7, 2. Children, here you all can see that none of the digit is 0. So the simple rule is to arrange the given digits in ascending order. And after arranging the digits in ascending order, we got the number as 12579. That is 12,579. Moving on to the next example, children. The smallest 6-digit number. Again the digits are given 8, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4. Non-digit, none of the digit is 0, children. So the simple rule again is to arrange the digits in ascending order. And after arranging the digits in ascending order, that is we get the number as 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Children, as you all are aware, ascending order means small to big. Here the children, the rule is for when none of the digit is 0. If you will see the next one, that is the B1, when one of the digit is 0, it is very much important, children. When one of the digit is 0, we arrange the digits in ascending order and put 0 at the second place from extreme left while forming the number. Just see an example, children. Here the digits given are 1, 2, 5, 0, 3, 7. Children, you all can see 0 is given. Now the rule is you need to arrange the given digits in ascending order, but you need to put the 0 at the second place from the extreme left. Now you all can see after 0 the smallest number is 1. So 1, 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. By placing the 0 at the second place, and the rest you need to arrange it in the ascending order. So children, the next one is to write the greatest number using the given digits only once. So the first one is we arrange the digits in descending order and form the number. Now children, if you need to find the greatest 5-digit number, you need to arrange the given digits in descending order. So the greatest 5-digit number using the digits 15872 is 87521. Now children, here the number form is 87,521. We have arranged the given digits in descending order. Again, you all can see the next one, that is the greatest 6-digit number you need to form using the digit 75624. The rule remains the same, that is you need to arrange them in descending order. After arranging the given digits in descending order, you all can see the number form is 765,420. That is 7,65,420. Now children, the next one is to write the smallest or the greatest number using the given digits with repetition of digits. We first form the smallest or the greatest number using the given digits, each only once. Then we put the digits to be repeated. Just understand this with the help of an example. Children, the first example is you need to form the smallest 5-digit number using the digits 2, 4, 3, 7, in which 4 has repeated twice. That is 2, 4, 4, 3, 7. These are the digits. Now find the smallest 5-digit number. Children, as you all remember, smallest 5-digit number. Whenever we need to find the smallest number, we arrange the given digits in ascending order. So let's arrange this. So the smallest number is 2, 3, 4, 4, 7. Why children 4 twice? Because the condition given is repeating 4 twice. Yes. So the final number form is 2, 3, 4, 4, 7. Again children, in the next one we have greatest 6-digit number, and the digits given are 6, 0, 3, 8, 9. Repeating 6 twice means 6 is coming twice, children. Now again, here we need to find the greatest 6-digit number, the greatest number. And for the greatest number, children, you all know that we need to arrange the given digits in descending order. So let's arrange the digits in descending order. So descending order is, children, from big to small. So here we have 9, 8, 6, 6, 3, 0. Again, why 6 is? Because it is clearly given repeating 6 twice. So by arranging the given digits in descending order, we got the number as 9866630. Children, again you need to solve these questions. Write the smallest and the greatest 5-digit number using each of the following digits. Repeating 4 twice. Children, be careful with this. Repeating 4 twice in each and every question, that is A, B and C, you need to take 4 twice. That is 14425, 34408, 93445. Thank you, children.